Hello students, I am Himlata Beth and I welcome you here. Today I have come with our third chapter and the topic is I, he and she. But this is not the exact topic. The topic would be I, he, she, it, they and we because now we are going to introduce with these words. Okay? So first we need to recall what are naming words. Naming words are the names of places, people, things or animals, right? And in this chapter we will know some other words used for a naming word. So these are the words that are used in place of a naming word. Okay, so keep it in mind that these words I, he and she and it, they and we, they all are used in place of a naming word only. Okay, so first we need to know where they are used and how they are used. So come here, come in the page 17. When is I used? I is used to talk about myself. When I talk about myself, I say I am ill, I am going to school, right? So I is used to talk about myself. He is used in place of a boy or a male naming word. Okay, male naming word, what is male? If you don't know, just keep it in mind that boy is a male. Who is a boy? Boy is a male. And he is used in place of a boy. Okay? In this way, she is used in place of a girl. When there is any girl, you would use she in place of a girl. It is used in place of an animal. Animal may be elephant, dog, cat, snake, giraffe, lion, tiger. They all are animals. So we would use it in place of an animal or a non-living thing. In science subject you have learned what are living things and what are non-living things. So I'm telling you again, non-living things do not have their lives, so they are non-living, like pen, pencil, eraser, house, table, chair. They all are non-living thing. And when we have to edit our sentence, we would use it in place of a non-living thing. They and we, both of these words are used in place of more than one person. When you have so many things or when we have so many persons around us, we would use they or we according to the criteria where they are used. So we have to know what is they and what is we. As I taught you, I is used to talk about myself. Okay, it is clear. He is used in place of a boy. Suppose there is a boy named Amit, so Amit is a boy's name, so in place of Amit we would write he. Sita is a girl's name, so we would use she in place of a girl's name. And it, if there would be any animal's name, we would use it. And in place of any non-living thing, as I told you just minute ago, pencil, chair, table, whatever things will be, but they should be non-living, so we would use it in place of non-living things. And now we are going to introduce with they and we. So in case of understanding they and we need to mind that we have to remember what is I. So come, and I have a picture here. It's a family of they and we. Okay, think that I am Udita. So I have written Udita here and I. So I am Udita. And now we are going to understand what is they. Okay. Udita is standing here. That is meant I am standing here, and I have some friends, Pritam, Prithvi and Saranya, and they are there. These persons are here. I am here and they are here. These three are here. Okay. I am not with them. I am Udita, not with them. I am here. Right? I am not with them. So I will show my finger and I will say they. So they is when they is used when I speak to someone about others and I am not with them. Okay? I am speaking to others about others. I am speaking about others where I am not. So I would use they. Now come and understand what is we. The same is written here, but this is a family. I, Udita is here, I am here, and my three friends are all together. All together. I am here, my friend Pritam is here, Prithvi is here, and Sharanya is here. Everyone is all together. I am not here, I am with them. So I would use we to say about us. Okay, when I use we, that is mean I am talking for everyone in my group. So this is we and that is they. I think it is very clear for you. Okay, now we will take example from our book, page 16. Peter is my brother. Peter is a good boy. Peter always cares for me. Peter and I play together. Okay, as we have got some words that are used in place of a noun, so we have to change one naming word that is written again and again. We have to find out what is odd or bad in this sentence. Peter, do you like hearing the Peter the same name again and again? Peter is my brother. Peter is a good boy. Peter always cares for me. Peter and I play together. No, we don't like. So we would change it. How? We have got that he is used in place of a boy. So Peter, I think the name, we have to find out. The name says us that Peter is a boy's name and brother means boy. So someone is telling us the information of his brother. Peter, his or her. Peter is my brother. Okay, so we should keep Peter only one time in sentence. Then Peter, he. Peter is a boy's name, so we would use he. He is a good boy. He always cares for me. He and I play all together. So what have you found and what have you learned? We have always, we have to try not to write and not to say Peter more than once. That is meant naming word more than once. Where many sentences are there and you have the same name again and again, you should try to keep that name only one, and then you have to change according to our rule where they are used. Okay, now take another example. Amit sings well. He sings English songs. So Amit is a boy's name. So we should keep only one time Amit. And Amit is here only one time. And Amit is a boy's name. So here would be he. In this way, Sita is a girl's name. We have to keep Sita only one time. Okay. Otherwise, we would know who is she, right? That is why. It is an information. That is why. And she lives next door. In this way, my pet is a animal's name. It would be it would be animal who is pet, so we would use it because it is used in place of an animal and or non-living thing like pencil, eraser, where whatever they will be, but they should be non-living. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a general information that would be very helpful. Okay, as we have known about I, he, she, it, they, we, so we need to know more. What? Okay, students, have you ever seen these words am, is, are, do or does? Sometimes it becomes very confusing to make sentences with these words. So this is a very general chart and I would like if you will make this type of chart at your home and learn from here. I is always used with am. I am. He is always used with is. She is. It is. They are. We are. Do and does. I do. He does. She does. It does. They do. We do. So these words are always used with these words. I is. No. I cannot say I is well. No. I am well. So this is a chart and this chart will help us to make sentences also. And it would be very clear and correct. Now we are taking one example. Dash am Shinu dash study in class 2. Am means Shinu. Shinu, who is Shinu we don't know, but am is used with I only. I am ill, so I is always used with am. I am Shinu, I study in class 2. Let's take number 6. Dash are my friends are and my means this picture. Udita is saying that they are my friends. I am not with them. And are is used with they and we. And we when I am with them. And they when I am not with them. And my is here, so would be they are my classmates. Number 9. Dash do not play cricket. Do. Where is do used? Do is used with I, do is used with they, and do is used with we. So here would be I, they and we. 3 answers would be correct. I do not play cricket, they do not play cricket, we do not play cricket. Dash all like to read books. All means more than one person they or we is used in place of more than one person. So here would be they all like to read books, or we would like to read books, because all means more than one person. Now we are going to take some more examples. In page 18, number 4, Rahul and I play the piano. Rahul and I means where I am with Rahul. So we would use we. When I am with others and I am talking about everyone in my group, so that time the word would be we. We play the piano. The bell rang loudly. What do you think? The bell is a non-living thing, right? So the bell, we would use it instead of the bell. Priya, Pooja and I will reach a movie tonight. I means I am with Priya and Pooja. So here would be we. Ira, Ritu and Nitin will go to the zoo today. Here, have you found I? No, I am not with them. Ira, Ritu and Nitin means I am not with them. Only three persons. Ira, Ritu and Nitin. So here would be they. Okay, in this way we will later solve our exercises also. I hope you have liked my video, and wait for my next video. Thank you, students. Bye bye.